Binanggit ko na magkakaroon tayo in the next 6 years a new capital city somewhere near Clark area. And in that city, there will be not only a new government center like the one they have in Malaysia, an IT park, but also an educational center.
Mayor Duterte, kanina binanggit niyo at sa ibang mga interview, walang solusyon sa traffic sa Metro Manila. May sinabi pa kayo, sunugin na lang lahat ng kotse.
No, I said there is no immediate and urgent solution there. Kasi as long as we continue to pump in new cars, or even those fabricated, traffic would always be a problem. It's mass transit. Dagdagan mo ng train. An extension, dahan-dahan lang. That is doable in 6 years. At saka yung isa, on the long term, kopyahin ko na lang yung, sabi ni ma'am, maganda man yun.